Here I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be apps list, and then just hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down at the same time, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots and photos in the screenshots section here, and from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.